decided to try another product that will clean our stainless steel appliances in our home. I bought this on Amazon. I'll be sure to link it in the description below so you guys could find it if you decide to use it. I did get some feedback in regards to using the baking soda to clean, and it did require a lot of work. So now I'm going to do this a second time. So I'll say, let's clean our stainless steel refrigerator, take 2. Let's try this out. Okay, so now that I've wiped with the wipe, now the instructions are telling me to buffer it with a soft cloth. So I would definitely recommend this product. Give this a try. Remember, you can get this on Amazon. I will link it below. When you try it, let me know what you think. But I would definitely recommend, because as you see, it worked for my stainless steel refrigerator. And don't forget to subscribe, give a thumb up, and I'll see you next time.